Welcome to our tutorial on setting up scheduled functions in Next.js with the Edge runtime. We start by importing the schedule function from the Next Edge functions package, which will allow us to run tasks at specified intervals. Here we define an asynchronous function called clearCacheTask. Inside this function, you would implement the logic for clearing a cache, such as removing outdated items or resetting stored values. Right now, it simply logs a message to the console indicating the cache was cleared successfully. If your cache clearing logic requires sending a network request, you could use the fetch API within the task function. For example, making a post request to an external API that handles the cache. Just uncomment the fetch request and replace the URL with the appropriate endpoint for your needs. Finally, we use the schedule function to set up the interval at which our clearCacheTask will run. The first argument is a cron string representing our schedule. In this example, the string *10 means the task will execute every 10 seconds. You can customize this cron string according to the frequency you need, like changing it to 00* to run the task every hour. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, you have created a scheduled edge function that can perform tasks, like clearing a cache, at regular intervals. This can help optimize your application's performance and ensure its data remains fresh and up to date.